If you want to create a Google Workspace account, this guide will help you step by step to sign up and start using it. Step 1. Access the Google Workspace page. To start the registration process, visit the official Google Workspace website and click Get Started. Step 2. Choose a plan. Google Workspace offers different plans depending on the size and needs of your company. You can choose between Business Starter for small businesses, Business Standard for more storage and improved video calls, Business Plus for advanced security and more control tools. Step 3. Enter your company details. You will need to provide key information such as company or project name, number of employees, country where your account will operate. Step 4. Set up your custom domain. Google Workspace allows you to use a professional email with your own domain. You can use a domain you already own or buy a new domain through Google. Step 5. Create your admin account. Set up your first admin user who will have control over the service settings. Step 6. Make payment or start free trial. Step 7. Set up your email and tools. After registering, you can access the admin console to configure Gmail, Drive, Meet, and other tools according to your needs. I'll leave you a link in the video description in case you want to try it for 14 days free, and in case you want to purchase it later, I'll tell you how to get a promotional code for 15% off. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out about new videos, tips, and promotions that we release.